It's going. Oh, she's not gonna wake up yet. Do it again.
She totally doesn't know. It's actually like. Actually, like, hit her. I think she'd be a little irritated.
Don't hit her face.
No, I meant like hit her arm.
Mean.
Ooh, that little kid you.
Ew, no, like the older one. Ew, no, ew.
I get it.
Yeah, I'm a pedophile. That guy. Damn. What does this one mean? That means F. This sign language.
That's off.
F. I love you. Peace.
How many times do you think I'll do it before she finally like falls asleep?
Huh?
People do that. Like, I mean, like wakes up.
He's like, what?
I don't know.
People like say like Elson's like okay, yeah.
You guys are so mean.
I'm only hitting your arm.
Stick your
She's like dead.
How do you go to Facebook?
You go online and go to Facebook?
For some reason, I think she's out cold.
Here, give me it and I'll go to it. Here.
Now I'm on YouTube. Hold on. The fudge. My lips are sticky.
Did it hit her in the face? Where did it hit her? You guys are so mean. Oh my goodness. How is she not awake? It's sticking out, it's sticking out. I like how you keep going back. This movie isn't even scary.
She'll probably wake up when I'm like pulling him out.
How was this movie scary?
The ending's the best with the mom in the mirror.
Ready?
It's been going on for 3 minutes and she still hasn't woken up.
Spicy guys.
Why are they all shaking?
Go.
Why are they all shaking, Nicole?
Hold on. Oh, push the button. Push the middle button. Okay, did it go away? Okay.
What does that do anyway? I never got that.
Oh, you can like move them around.
She's like out cold.
She guys like drunk her drinks?
I think her eyes moved.
She like twitched a little bit, but that's about it.
Oh my gosh, you guys like drunk her drink? Are you sure?
No. She had water.
What is it? Water?
She had bottled water.
Drugged it. What's on Facebook? Oh, she's up.
Katie, we've been shooting you for the last 5 minutes.
Hey, Katie. 6 more days till Christmas.
She's alive.
That should be like the title of the video, 6 more days till Christmas. Because she woke up.
I don't think so. Bye, Katie. We love you.